become an Etsy seller, but that means I have to make something. So let's make a bookmark. Wait, Cassie, what do you mean you have nothing to sell? Yeah, I feel like I haven't really made anything I'm proud of. To preface, I'm not fully an artist, I guess, but I'm not one at all. I'm a graphic designer who loves producing work like branding, posters, and type. Post-grad, I'm really trying to dig deep on what work I really like producing because I think that's something a lot of us struggle with at times. At least I do. It's very hard because it feels like everything has to be 100% or make sense, but it truly does not. The work you produce literally just has to be fun, and it has to make you happy. And I want to share that with others through things that I can make physically as well. And if you're in the same boat as a creative, I hope you can stick around and share your journey with me as well. The comments in my DMs are always a safe space. Bang, bang, bang. This is the trial one I made, and then this is the final. And I did a fold on it. Good idea not to get your bookmark lost, because I know like at least smaller ones tend to get lost. And I mean, this is a smaller bookmark, and I wouldn't want it to get lost in the book. It stops right there. Genius, right? Genius. And I had the idea of making it too, just to kind of like do a little play on it, but that would be a fun bookmark to make. Let me know if I should make that. Let me know. Let's get to making it. Let me know your book recommendations in the comments below. Click the bell. Audio was very horrible during this part, but basically I took it from the existing wordmark that I had, which is the Bookmark Club, which is some kind of passion project that I'm building upon, and I hope to expand it. But basically I took the eyes I made from this wordmark that are supposed to be the O's of the bookmark, and basically I just took the eyes and resized them to a common bookmark size, which is I believe 2x6, but you can always make sure, and then you can always make your own size bookmarks as well. But I basically built the bookmark around the eyes, and I just kind of shaped it to how I wanted it. So yeah, it's kind of all just building on what you already have and just seeing what works best. Go ahead and save this file, and then I'm gonna meet you at the cricket station, aka my brother's room, my brother's old room. I'm gonna do the actual bookmark itself, and then the eyes, which is gonna be the white paper, and then with the black cardstock, I'm gonna do the eyes. Sorry I'm a little bad at explaining here, bear with me, it's my first video in a while, but basically I'm just isolating the actual size of the bookmark to go in first. I think I'm too far. Oh no, wait. Let's go, let's freaking go. Depending on how thick your cardstock is, you want to choose the right setting for it to cut. It's a 110-pound cardstock, and I find that poster board on the Cricut cuts it very well. So I'm gonna do that. So it's a bit later and I finished with the bookmarks and I'm so happy how they turned out. And I did all the little folds and I'm so happy with them. And they can go in your book just like that. It goes in there. So freaking cute. If you guys really want one for yourself, maybe go hit up my Etsy store and buy one. That concludes the end of the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. It means the absolute world to me that you stuck around here and watched me put these together. But I'm so happy with these, and if you want one, go grab one, and I'll see you guys later.